What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back with another video on one of my favorite bikes, the V4R. We put more parts. If you guys didn't know, oh yeah, I didn't really show you. I showed Instagram first while I was putting on the belly, but look at her. I've talked about this for so long. This was my vision from a year ago when I got it, and it's finally complete. She's officially full carbon fiber. I did as much as I can in carbon fiber. Every single fairing is carbon fiber, even the red right here. This is all full carbon fiber that has been painted red in Italy, professionally done. The only thing that I didn't do full carbon is the subframe instead of going the full subframe, because the problem with that, I can't have like all the aggressive lines that this has, like this piece with the vents and this tail with these like really cool vents and the design and all of that, as well as these. Like I really like these little kind of engine casing covers on both sides. If I did the full carbon subframe, I can't have these on because those actually mount to the subframe from the inside with a couple of bolts. So it pretty much cost me about the same price, if not even like more, to do it this way, which is also heavier. But at the end of the day, this is not a track bike. This is like kind of pretty like show bike that I get to enjoy. So I wanted it to look good, not just performance based. But ideally, obviously, if you want performance, you would do the full carbon subframe because that saves weight. I'm pretty sure this saved a little bit of weight still, but not as much. But yeah, we got as much as we can carbon. This piece, the undertail, this piece, and of course these, as I said. But yeah, the newest part is this new rear brake rotor. It's supposed to be lightweight, and it just looks way better because with these minimalistic wheels, it kind of like was round and all that. It looked like the front, which I didn't like with these wheels. It was very exposed, you know. So with these, it looks way better in my opinion. We did ceramic bearings on the front for the wheels, so this bike should feel even faster, lighter, and more nimble. It's gonna feel pretty much like a 600, or at least that's what's supposed to be. Oh, you can see the carbon is rubbing right here. I need to like wipe it down. There's some carbon dust, and my OCD is not gonna like that. Finally reset the service light because we did the service on it and all that. And last but not least, we got this carbon, kind of like forged carbon tail tidy. I thought it's very cool, minimalistic, shows more of the carbon under tray, and I mainly went with this because finally I've always wanted to do this because it's carbon, forged carbon, and titanium. The bracket is titanium, but I was holding off because I didn't want forged carbon and there's nothing else. But now that I have the wheels in forged carbon, so that matches it, and eventually we're going to get the lever guards in forged carbon too whenever they become available again. And then she will be mainly complete. Obviously there's more plans that I do want to do to it. I want to get the Superleggera forks for it. They're like black and gold down here. I'll definitely clean it up because I feel like the gold doesn't really go. It's just that piece and the Olin shocks back here. So get that and upgrade that, and probably maybe upgrade the brake calipers. I'm not sure about it, but what I can do, which is really cool and I want to do but I'm not sure about, is upgrade the front rotors to carbon ceramics. That's the stuff they use in MotoGP, which is absolutely insane, but those cost $4,000 for just the rotors. Yeah, fork is, I don't know, a lot more thousands of dollars. These are another like $3,000 or $4,000. So yeah, altogether there's still a lot of money to be spent on this bike, but for now, she's pretty much complete. I just need those lever guards, and I'll be happy with it. So yeah, without further ado, let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this full carbon V4R build? Again, this is my dream bike, that's why I went all crazy on it, and that's why it's my most expensive build. But yeah, I'm really excited to ride it. Feel the difference in the carbon ceramics and everything. Clutch was done on it already, so she's ready to go. It was a lot of stressful work to get this bike to this level, so, and I have absolutely no gas, so we're gonna go get some gas. Oh, and yeah, when I want to do the front fork setup, I also want to do like the black clip-ons for sure. I do want to upgrade my Brembo and clutch master cylinders. the problem with that is that I really like my carbon fiber levers, so I don't know if they will fit. That's the one part that I'm like, I do want to get, but I don't know if it'll work, so I guess we'll find out later on. I know on my BMW they won't fit because, you know, I got the upgraded master cylinder, and that master cylinder comes with its own levers. Whoa, that's weird. In the start I was like, I don't know if I really feel it, because they said you'll feel it a lot, especially in low speeds, the ceramic bearings. But I was like, I don't know. But now, like, the front end feels like it's just like floating. This is so weird and cool. I'm like shocked right now. I told him to get as many videos as you can. I'll try posting most of these for you guys. I'm so bummed, like a couple of videos ago I did like filmed picking up the Fireblade with a new full exhaust, and we got a lot of videos, but the problem with that is sorry, I'm focusing on getting these like Instagram shots because the bike is finally complete with the belly pan and everything, and I'm just like hella excited for it. Yeah, but with that Fireblade video, I like still got a bunch of videos and all that, but the bike was so loud that it completely distorted all the videos. The audio was just horrible, just super staticky and just like extremely laggy. And so I was like, I can't like use this on YouTube, you guys. I don't think you would have liked it. So that's why I didn't use that. But with this one, it should be much better. Yeah, we're doing it just kind of like slow and just controlled. Warm up the tires, it's a cold day. The bike feels unbelievably light. Yeah, this video is mainly just admiring this bike, so I'm going to be posting a lot of these Instagram videos for you guys, and probably less talking because I don't even know what to talk about. I'm just like happy that I finally have this bike completed at this level, so I'm just kind of like riding around and enjoying the bike. And we have absolutely no gas too, so no wheelies yet. Also need to warm up the tires. Hey, we're hitting the shell, we're getting the good gas. What? Gas prices are going back down. 4.9? I was saying that was quick. It filled up so fast. 3.5 gallons. Then the tank must be 4 gallons. Now she's full, the tires are a little bit warmed up. We can get a couple wheelies in. The bike is so loud and it's bright red, attracts a lot of attention. But yeah, I filmed a meet. I went to a meet with this bike. I don't think I've posted it yet. Yeah, I don't think I have. I post so much, so I kind of like forget the order of my videos and all of that, but so yeah, I completely kind of like forgot about that video, but like when I edited and uploaded, like when I took it to the meet, everyone was just staring at these wheels. These wheels are definitely like attention grabbers. They're crazy. I do agree, they do look crazy. That's why I went with them. Just super different. Now with that new rear brake rotor, it looks even better. Okay, too many rock chips. What is going on? I'm not worried about me, but I definitely don't want no rock chips on the bike. Little smooth one. I want to go hard right here. Bad, but A, there's cars in front of me, and B, I'm still not sure like about the tires. They're still pretty new. I need to easily break them. Is rowdy today. She feeling light and good. She's coming up a little too aggressively, so I'm kind of like getting a little worried and putting it down too like fast because I want to be smooth. I'm kind of like scared of the wheels and all. What do you guys think? Which one is your favorite bike in the collection? Mine are definitely still the H2 on this one. Every time I see these are like the two bikes that every time I ride, I'm like, okay, I need me another Ducati or I need me another H2. Other than that, all other bikes are very cool and they're different in their own way and all that, but it doesn't give me that feeling that I'm like, this is it, you know? Woo! Pop. The C project on this bad boy is savage. I do think when I rode like the newer gen Ducatis, I do want me to get a newer gen Ducati too at some point. I don't really know which one, but one of them, because like the newer gens are so much smoother. The power delivery and everything about them is just way smoother. Happened. I just time traveled. I don't even know how that happened. I just got a little too happy. Throttle just went a little whoop, whoop, and the bike is just gone. Bro, this bike is wild. I smelled a little bit of gas. I think when I replaced this gas cap, I didn't like put like there's two seals apparently, and I think I missed one of them. So whenever I smell gas, I'm like, oh no, is it leaking on my tank? But it's not. We're good. We good. Alright, this is pretty much it for this video. Sorry that I'm not talking much, or if this was like a boring video for you guys. It's kind of just like to showcase finally the finally built full carbon V4R. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Love you all. Peace out and ride safe.